So if you are a new user, select get started on the landing pages to begin your journey. So get started here. First choose your play as you are either a pastor or mentor. So I'm going to be a pastor here. So let me click pastor. And then you can also watch the introductory videos available on the pages to learn more about the program and understanding how the platform works. And now select your start journey to proceed through the onboarding tutorial. So let me start your journeys. And then once a tutorial is completed, select start my first step to open an interest form. So let me do it and start my first step. So actually this is our interest form. So in this interest form, fill all the required information. Select the appropriate roles. For example, if you are applying for pastors, select pastors as your role before continuing. Similarly, if you are applying for mentors, select mentors. So let me fill this form. So let me fill it. So now see that I have filled all the fields here. So let me submit this interest form. And then it is successfully submitted. So let us wait for some times for a director to accept our interest form. So actually once our director accepted the interest form, we will able to move on to next pages. So let us wait for some times for a director to accept our interest form. And then to check the status of the application, select the track application, check application, and then we should verify your email like this. If your application is still under review, the application will be displayed as waiting for the approval. Once the application has been approved, you will receive the email notification. Turn to track application and verify your email ID and enter the OTP, and you will be able to create your password. So let me verify my email there. So let me type my OTP here. So our OTP has been verified, and we should create a password here. And then set password. After creating your password, you can log in the platform using the already signed up option. So let me tell you how. And then if you want to add any profile, you can add it, or else no needed. So just like skip. And this is how you should create a interest form, submit a interest form in Pastar. This completes the registration process, gives you the access to CCC platform.